So Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn easy mandala design. So we'll start drawing a thick line first. Make it thick. Okay. Then make two lines below it. Okay. Then make arc over it. Make arc all over the line. Then we'll do the same on the upper side. Make two lines. And make arc over it. Same as we did down. Okay, then make small leaves as shown in the video. Same do down. Okay, make small leaves. Then come to the palm, make a small spiral. Okay, and put arc all over it. Then border the spiral, make it a little dark to stand out. Then again make a small spiral below it, make arc all over it. Same goes down, upside, make a small spiral, arcs over it, and at the both sides also, right side and left side. See, small spirals and arc over it. Done. Now the space which is left between all these spirals, fill that with the same technique. Draw spirals and arcs with it. Okay, so this is a mandala design. Now you can just border it with rose petals as shown in the video, but only the 4 flowers which we made first, and others you can just put dots over there, thick dots. Okay, and on the flower petals you can make 2 spirals and 3 leaves like this, and small dots. Again on the upside, same thing, 2 spirals and 3 leaves, 3 small leaves. Okay, and dot small dots. Now we'll come to the finger. Put a patli line, okay, thin line, put arc all over it. Make small leaves, 3 leaves. Make another thick line, 2 more lines, arc all over it, and then 2 spirals at dot. We'll do the same all over 5 fingers. Okay, and this is how our easy mandala design will be completed. See, it's so simple. It's very easy for the beginners. Two spirals and then dot. Again on the index finger we will do the same, and on the thumb also. See, mashallah, it turned out to be so pretty. So practice this. It's very easy for you. Okay. Mashallah, is looking very good. So this is how our design is complete.